Have you ever looked at your life and realized the version you planned no longer exists? Maybe the relationship ended. Maybe your career shifted. Maybe something you depended on collapsed. Rebuilding doesn't happen randomly. There are 4 stages you go through when you're rebuilding your life. Now, if you understand them, you move wiser, not just emotionally. So, let's start with the first one. The first stage of rebuilding is acceptance. And honestly, this is the hardest one because sometimes we hold on to what hurt us just because it feels familiar. I've seen people trying to build a new life while secretly hoping the old one comes back. But that delays everything. You cannot rebuild while trying to save ruins. Because acceptance, it doesn't mean you're weak. It means you're ready to move on, to move forward with clarity. The second stage is redefining your identity. When something falls apart, you don't just lose a person or a job. You lose a version of yourself. And that's scary. You start asking, who am I now? Instead of asking, why did this happen to me? Who am I becoming because of this? The question shifts your power back to you. Rebuilding, it starts internally, not externally. The third stage is healing before rushing. Honestly, many people skip this. They jump into new relationships, new distractions, new environments. Not because they're ready, but because silence is uncomfortable. But if you don't heal intentionally, you repeat unintentionally. So, this is very important. My advice is take your time. Wisdom grows in reflection. And here's the stage most people ignore. Rebuilding isn't just emotional, it's financial too. Breakup costs money. Career shifts affect stability. Unexpected life changes drain savings. And emotional healing gives you peace. Financial stability gives you security. And security changes how you move. So keep in mind that true maturity is protecting what you build next. So, if you're rebuilding right now, like everyone says, accept the ending, redefine yourself, heal intentionally, rebuild with stability. Because rebuilding isn't starting over. It is starting to get wiser.